Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cash Crafting Crew, your favorite finance YouTube channel. Today, what is going to happen to the digital currencies? Have you ever wondered what the future holds for our currency? As we stand at the precipice of a new era, it's time we talk about the shift from physical to digital money. The concept may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but the future of currency is here, and it's digital. In the past, we've had physical money, tangible coins, and paper notes that we could touch and feel. As technology advanced, we moved towards credit and debit cards, making transactions easier, more convenient. But now we're entering an even more revolutionary phase in the world of finance. A shift from physical to digital money, specifically focusing on the digital dollar and digital euro. The digital dollar and the digital euro are essentially digital versions of traditional currencies. They aren't cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but rather they're issued and regulated by central banks. This means they hold the same value as their physical counterparts, but they exist only in the digital realm. Imagine no more carrying around bulky wallets filled with cash and cards. Instead, your smartphone could be your wallet, holding digital dollars and euros that you can spend anywhere, anytime. But this isn't just about convenience, it's about financial inclusion, about bringing banking to the unbanked. Around 2 billion people globally don't have access to basic banking services. Digital currencies could change that. Moreover, digital currencies could also provide more stability than their cryptocurrency counterparts. As they are regulated by central banks, they are less likely to experience the wild price swings we've seen with cryptocurrencies. However, as with any new technology, there are challenges to overcome. Privacy concerns, technological infrastructure, and regulatory hurdles all stand in the way. But these are not insurmountable obstacles. They are challenges to be solved, puzzles to be pieced together. The future of currency is not just about going cashless. It's about creating a more inclusive, more efficient, and more stable financial system. The digital dollar and the digital euro stand at the forefront of this change. Let's delve deeper into these two digital currencies and how they are shaping the future of finance. Imagine a world where your physical dollar has a digital counterpart. Welcome to the era of the digital dollar, a concept that's transforming our understanding of money. The digital dollar, simply put, is a digitized version of the traditional greenback. It's like your regular dollar bill, but it exists only in the virtual world. It's designed to work alongside physical currency, not replace it. Envision a perfect blend of the tangible and intangible, merging the trustworthiness of paper money with the convenience of digital transactions. One of the unique features of the digital dollar is its ability to improve efficiency. Remember those long lines at the bank or the tedious process of wiring money overseas? Well, with the digital dollar, transactions are as easy as sending a text message. No fuss, no muss, just a seamless financial experience. Apart from efficiency, the digital dollar brings an unprecedented level of transparency to our financial system. Every transaction is recorded on a secure, tamper-proof digital ledger known as a blockchain. This means no more hidden fees, no more fraudulent transactions, and a significant step towards eradicating financial corruption. But perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of the digital dollar is its potential for financial inclusion. There are millions of unbanked and underbanked individuals worldwide who are excluded from the mainstream financial system. The digital dollar, with its easy accessibility and low transaction costs, could be a game changer for these individuals, enabling them to participate in the economy like never before. But what about the risks, you ask? After all, with great innovation comes great responsibility. Yes, the digital dollar does raise concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. But these are obstacles we must navigate as we shape the future of our financial landscape. However, like anything else, the digital dollar is not without its challenges. As we move forward, it's important to remember that the goal is not just to innovate, but to innovate responsibly. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the challenges of the digital dollar in our next segment. While the digital dollar has its advantages, it also has its share of challenges. Firstly, let's talk about security. In a world where data breaches are becoming increasingly common, the safety of digital currency is a significant concern. Imagine waking up to find your digital wallet completely empty. Frightening, isn't it? With the digital dollar, we're not just talking about protecting against petty thieves, but Fending off sophisticated hackers who constantly evolve their tactics, the need for robust security measures is paramount, but even the most stringent precautions may not be foolproof. Then there's the issue of the digital divide. Not everyone has access to the internet or the necessary technology to utilize digital dollars. While it's easy to take our smartphones and Wi-Fi connections for granted, let's not forget about those who still rely on traditional banking methods. There's a risk that the digital dollar could exclude these individuals, creating a further divide in our society. Moreover, the digital dollar brings with it a host of regulatory challenges. Managing and overseeing a digital currency is a complex task. Given the global nature of the internet, jurisdictional issues can arise. Which laws apply if a transaction occurs between two individuals in different countries? How can we regulate such transactions? Additionally, there's the issue of anonymity. While some users appreciate the privacy that digital currencies can provide, this can also pave the way for illegal activities. Striking a balance between privacy and security is a challenging task for regulators. Finally, there's the question of volatility. Traditional currency values fluctuate, but digital currencies have been known to experience far more significant swings. This could potentially discourage people from adopting the digital dollar as they may perceive it as being too risky. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of a digital dollar are enormous. However, for it to become a reality, these issues must be addressed head-on. It's a complex task, but one that could revolutionize the way we think about money. Now let's cross the Atlantic and take a look at the digital euro. Europe isn't left behind in the digital currency revolution. As the world steps into an era of digital transformation, the European Central Bank has been toying with the concept of a digital euro. But what exactly is this digital euro we're talking about? In essence, the digital euro is the electronic equivalent of euro banknotes and coins. It's not a new currency, but rather a digital form of the existing euro that we all know. Just like digital dollars, digital euros would be a legal tender issued by the central bank, ensuring its value and security. One of the unique features of the digital euro is enhanced privacy. While it would not offer the anonymity of cash, it would provide a high level of privacy for users. Think about it. No more worrying about data breaches or identity theft. Your financial transactions would be protected by the robust security measures of the European Central Bank. Another key characteristic of the digital euro is reduced costs. Digital transactions often involve various intermediaries, each charging a fee, but the digital euro aims to cut down these costs. It would enable peer-to-peer transactions, bypassing the need for middlemen. This could result in significant savings for both individuals and businesses. The digital euro also holds potential for cross-border transactions. Currently, sending money to another country can be a time-consuming and costly process. However, with the digital euro, these transactions could become as easy as sending a text message. This could revolutionize the way we do business, opening up new opportunities for trade and commerce. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The digital euro is still in its conceptual stage, and there are numerous challenges that need to be addressed. There are questions around how to prevent illicit activities, how to ensure financial stability, and how to integrate it with the existing financial system. But just like the digital dollar, the digital euro also faces certain hurdles. As we continue to explore the world of digital currencies, it's clear that this is just the beginning of a journey filled with both opportunities and challenges. The digital euro, while promising, isn't without its own set of challenges. Just like any new venture, the digital euro is bound to face some hurdles before it can fully find its place in our everyday lives. Let's delve into some of these potential challenges. One significant concern is privacy. The digital euro, being a digital currency, would require the collection and processing of transaction data. This raises questions about how much data will be collected, who will have access to it, and how it will be used. While the European Central Bank has assured that the digital euro will respect privacy, the details of how this will be achieved are not yet fully clear. Next, we have the risk of cybercrime. The digital world is a playground for hackers and cybercriminals, and the digital euro could be a lucrative target. While steps will undoubtedly be taken to ensure the security of the digital euro, the threat of cybercrime still looms large. Security measures will need to be robust to protect against hacking, data breaches, and other forms of cybercrime. Regulatory complexities also pose a challenge. The digital euro would need to be regulated to prevent misuse and to protect users. However, regulating a digital currency is a complex task. It requires striking a balance between providing sufficient oversight to prevent misuse while not stifling innovation. Furthermore, regulations would need to be harmonized across the European Union to ensure that the digital euro can function seamlessly across borders. Another challenge lies in the potential for destabilizing financial systems. If people were to move large amounts of money into the digital euro quickly, it could potentially cause instability. This is something that the European Central Bank will need to manage carefully. Lastly, there's the challenge of acceptance. For the digital euro to be successful, it needs to be widely accepted by businesses, individuals, and financial institutions. This requires building trust in the digital euro and ensuring that it's easy to use. So, how do these two digital currencies stack up against each other? While both the digital dollar and the digital euro face challenges, they also present exciting opportunities for the future of finance. Let's continue exploring these digital currencies in the next scene. The digital dollar and digital euro, while similar, have distinct characteristics. As we venture into the realm of digital currencies, let's take a closer look at how the digital dollar stacks up against the digital euro. Both of these digital currencies are forms of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, but they each bring their own unique features to the table. Firstly, the digital dollar, being championed by the United States, is seen as a way to maintain the dollar's global dominance in the face of emerging digital currencies. It's designed to operate alongside traditional cash, but with the added benefits of increased efficiency, speed, and security of transactions. On the other side of the Atlantic, the European Central Bank is developing the digital euro. This digital currency is aimed at providing a secure, accessible, and efficient method of payment for all citizens of the European Union. The digital euro is intended to complement, not replace, cash and traditional bank deposits. Now let's focus on the potential benefits. Both the digital dollar and digital euro aim to streamline transactions and increase financial inclusion. They promise to do away with the inefficiencies of physical cash, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. However, these digital currencies also face unique challenges. For the digital dollar, the major concerns revolve around privacy and the potential for misuse in illegal activities. There's also the issue of ensuring access for those without reliable internet connectivity. For the digital euro, challenges include ensuring the system can cope with high demand, especially during times of crisis, and addressing concerns about the potential for negative impacts on the banking sector. In essence, while the digital dollar and digital euro share the common goal of modernizing transactions and increasing financial inclusion, they also face unique challenges that reflect their respective economic environments. The success of these digital currencies will largely depend on how well these challenges are addressed and how the global financial system adapts to this digital revolution. Now let's summarize what we've learned. The world of digital currencies is complex, but it's the future we're heading towards. As we unpacked the mysteries of the digital dollar and the digital euro, we discovered a new frontier in finance. These digital currencies present a unique blend of challenges and opportunities, reshaping the way we perceive and interact with money. Let's revisit the digital dollar, the United States' answer to the evolving landscape of finance. Its key feature is its ability to provide a more inclusive financial system, reaching individuals who might have been previously excluded. However, it also faces significant hurdles, such as privacy concerns and potential for misuse, which must be effectively addressed to ensure its broad acceptance and success. On the other side of the Atlantic, the digital euro stands as a testament to the European Union's commitment to innovation. It carries the promise of efficiency, reducing the cost and time of transactions. Yet it's not without its challenges. The risk of cyber attacks and the need to maintain a balance with traditional banking systems are among the key issues that need careful navigation. Comparing the digital dollar and the digital euro, it's clear that while they share common goals, such as inclusivity and efficiency, their paths are influenced by their distinct economic and political environments. In this digital currency race, it's not about who crosses the finish line first, but who can effectively meet the needs of their users while addressing the inherent challenges. As we step into this new era, it's important to remember that these digital currencies are not just about technology. They represent a fundamental shift in our financial system, one that requires us to think differently about money and how we use it. As we embrace the era of digital currencies, it's crucial to understand what they mean for our financial future. It's an exciting journey, and we're all aboard, navigating the uncharted waters of digital finance. We hope you liked the video. If so, it would help us a lot if you left us a comment, since the YouTube neural network values this very much and thus recommends our videos to more people. Give it a like and activate the bell so that you receive a notification when we upload our next video. So see you soon. Greetings.